First, health protection. Antibacterial and mildew-proof wallpapers can effectively inhibit the growth of mold and bacteria and protect the respiratory and skin health of family members. Second, strong environmental adaptability. This wallpaper performs well in humid environments and is very suitable for use in areas prone to moisture, such as kitchens and bathrooms. Third, easy to install. Self-adhesive wallpapers are easy to operate. Just tear off the adhesive backing and stick it on. It is suitable for DIY enthusiasts and home users. Fourth, beautiful and practical. Antibacterial and mildew-proof wallpapers have a variety of colors and patterns, which can not only enhance the interior decoration effect, but also have practical health functions. Follow us to learn more about the advantages and recommended products of antibacterial and mildew-proof self-adhesive wallpapers.